Shop Talk. We're looking at that classic MS 200T, probably the most sought after top handle saw that was ever made. This one is in excellent shape, very clean. It's got a 16-inch bar and chain, working chain brake. Got the Elasto starter system, got a little give in the starter, easier on the operator. Side load on your oil reservoir as well as the gas reservoir with the twist lock caps. Chain tensioner, loosen the bar nut up and right on the side. If you ever wanted a really nice top handle saw, this is the one you want to try to get.